Hello. Our topic today is welding mock-up test. So let's begin. A welding mock-up test is a practical qualification exercise mandated by standards like ASME Section 9 or AWS D1.1. It involves creating a full-scale replica of a critical production weld, simulating exact conditions including joint design, material, welding procedure, and positioning. This test verifies that the procedure specification, WPS, is sound and that the welder or operator possesses the necessary skill to produce a sound, compliant weld. The completed mock-up undergoes rigorous non-destructive, e.g., visual, radiographic, and destructive testing, e.g., bend tensile, to validate weld integrity, mechanical properties, and overall quality before actual production welding commences. What is it? A welding mock-up test is a simulated weld made under job-like conditions to verify the procedure, the welder, and the equipment. It helps identify potential defects before moving to actual production or repair. Step 2. Execution. Follow the welding procedure specification, WPS. A WPS, welding procedure specification, is a formal document providing detailed instructions for making production welds. It qualifies the welding variables, like materials, process, and techniques, to ensure repeatability and compliance with a specific code standard, guaranteeing weld quality and mechanical integrity. Step 3. Advanced testing. Bend, nick break, tensile, macro etch, or hardness tests. Destructive testing, DT, involves damaging a sample to evaluate its mechanical properties, for example, tensile strength. Non-destructive testing, NDT, inspects material integrity without causing damage, using methods like ultrasound or radiography to detect internal flaws. Both are essential for qualifying welding procedures and ensuring quality. Why DT and NDT is important. Detects cracks, porosity, lack of fusion, inclusions. Ensures safety, compliance, and weld integrity. It is critically important because these tests are the fundamental assurance of safety, integrity, and reliability. They validate that a welded component will perform as designed under operational stresses, preventing catastrophic failures that could lead to injury, loss of life, or environmental damage. By qualifying both the procedure via mock-up, WPS, and the personnel, and then verifying the output via DT, NDT, they provide a proven, repeatable system for achieving quality and code compliance, ensuring every production weld is sound. Preparation. Select specimen. Simulate site conditions. Prepare tools. Before a mock-up, a specimen matching production materials and joint design is selected. Site conditions like position and access are precisely simulated. All qualified tools, equipment, and safety gear are prepared and verified to ensure the test accurately replicates the actual welding environment and procedures. Inspection. 1. VT, visual. 2. PT, liquid. 3. RT, radiography. 4. UT, ultrasonic. VT, visual examination for surface flaws like cracks, undercut, and poor weld profile. PT, applying liquid penetrant to reveal fine surface breaking discontinuities. RT, using X or gamma rays to create an image of internal weld defects. UT, employing high-frequency sound waves to detect subsurface flaws and measure thickness. Evaluation and reporting detects cracks, porosity, lack of fusion, inclusions, prevents costly rework or failures, ensures safety, compliance, and weld integrity.